I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today let's look at a 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. This is the 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. Up in the bow, plenty of seating, flip down armrests with cup holders. There are 4 on each side, plus the additional cup holder in each armrest. This has the entertainment center on it. Refrigerator. It's a flip-up table. Side entry door. Large high-back captain's chair. Simrad chart plotter, GPS. Upgraded steering wheel. Digital throttle and shift. Has a nice sport arch on it with JL audio speakers. It's the lounge seat. The backrest flips forward or reverse. As you can see on the back, it has a lot of extra decking. Give you a lot of room back here for entry and exit. This has the swim step, powered with a Mercury 300 4-stroke engine. This again is the 2020 250 Solstice by Harris. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Be glad to show you this Harris or any of the others that we have in stock.